Welcome students. In this video we are going to start exercise 3.1 of indefinite integral question number 3. See, first question is evaluate x upon x plus 2. So x upon x plus 2 जो denominator है, so accordingly we'll adjust the numerator. Denominator according we'll adjust the numerator. यहाँ पे x plus 2 है, so add and subtract simply 2. 2 हमने ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, x प्लस 2 dx. फिर सेपरेट करना है, सेपरेट x प्लस 2 अपॉन x प्लस 2 dx. फिर माइनस 2 कॉन्स्टेंट है, सो विल राइट इट आउटसाइड, 1 अपॉन x प्लस 2 dx. सो दिस x प्लस 2 इज गेटिंग कैंसिल, ये x प्लस 2 कैंसिल होके यहाँ पे आएगा 1, सो इट इज 1 dx माइनस 2 टाइम्स इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन x प्लस 2. बहुत आसान सा सवाल है. dx अपॉन x प्लस a, सी dx अपॉन x इज इंटीग्रेशन log ऑफ x और इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन x प्लस a, रिमेंबर इट इज log ऑफ x प्लस a. सो log ऑफ x प्लस a मतलब यहाँ पे log ऑफ x प्लस 2 आएगा. सो दिस इंटीग्रेशन इज x माइनस 2 टाइम्स log ऑफ mod of x plus 2 plus c will be the answer of this question. The next question is this, 5x plus 2 upon 3x minus 4. 5x plus 2 upon 3x minus 4. हमेशा आपको डिनोमिनेटर देखना है, या तो एक रूल एडजस्ट, रिमेंबर दैट इंटीग्रल ऑफ px upon qx dx where degree of px is equal to degree of qx. तो हम px को degree of qx सेम है, so we'll divide px by qx पॉलिनोमियल. यहाँ पे वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 5x plus 2 will adjust like this in terms of 3x plus 3x minus 4 हमको एक्सप्रेस करना है. So we can express it like this, 5x plus 2 it is equal to a into 3x minus 4 plus b. Simplify this, 3a x minus 4a plus b. ये x का कोएफिशिएंट आपको इक्वेट करना है दोनों साइड से. x का कोएफिशिएंट है ये 3a, यहाँ पे 5 है, सो 5 इज इक्वल टू 3a, दैट मीन्स a इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 3. a इज 5 अपॉन 3. देन कांस्टेंट टर्म, ये कांस्टेंट टर्म है आपका, दैट इज माइनस 4a प्लस b इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म. हियर कांस्टेंट टर्म इज 2. 2 से इक्वेट करो, a को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है इधर, तो b इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 4a, मतलब 2 प्लस 4 इंटू a इज 5/3, 5/3 विच विल बी, एलसीएम इज 3, ये 20 है, सो 6 प्लस 20 दैट इज 26. यहाँ पे 20 होगा, 20 अपॉन 3, एलसीएम इज 3, 3 इंटू 2 6 एंड 20 अपॉन 6 दैट इज और b. सो a और b we substitute here so that our numerator 5x plus 2 we can write as a is what, 5 upon 3 into 3x minus 4 plus b is what, 26 upon 3, that is b. Then in integral we will write this integral as, see 5x plus 2 will write this integral I is equal to 5x plus 2. So 5x plus 2 is this 5/3 into 3x minus 4 plus 26 upon 3 in place of 5x plus 2 ये लिखना है आपको, and whole divided by 3x minus 4 dx. फिर सेपरेट करना है, 5/3 इंटीग्रल ऑफ 3x minus 4 upon 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 dx, फिर ये 26/3 कांस्टेंट है, 26/3 कांस्टेंट, इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन 3x minus 4. This is getting cancelled. That integral of 1 dx, it will be integral of 1 dx 5/3 integral 1 dx plus 26/3 integral of dx upon 3x minus 4. Now one more formula we remember, that integral of dx upon ax plus b is equal to 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Remember this formula. So it is of the form dx upon ax plus b. So a is what? 3. So 1 by a मतलब 1 by 3. फिर log of ax plus b, log of 3x minus 4. So 1 dx is x, 5/3 x minus plus 26/3 into 1 by a मतलब 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 4 plus c. सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद 5x/3 plus 26/9 log of 3x minus 4 plus c. 5x/3 26/9 log of 3x minus 4 plus c will be the answer. We attempt fifth question. 2x minus 7 upon root of 4x minus 1. So ये root of 4x minus 1 accordingly numerator हम adjust करेंगे. So as 2x minus 7 we'll write it a into 4x minus 1 plus b, और a और b constant हम find करते हैं. So by equating the corresponding coefficient, 4a x minus a plus b, मतलब coefficient of x is 4a, so 4a, and here coefficient of x is 2, so 4a is equal to 2, that means a is equal to 1 by 2. a is 1 by 2. यहाँ पे minus a plus b, multiplying this minus a plus b, it is equal to minus 7, minus a plus b is equal to minus 7, और a is 1 by 2 है, b is equal to a minus 7, then a is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 7, which is 14, that is minus 13 upon 2. So b is equal to minus 13 upon 2. So we are getting a and b. a is 1 by 2, b is this, यहाँ पे substitute करना है आपको. So that 2x minus 7 will be equal to a is 1 by 2 into 4x minus 1 plus b is minus 13 upon 2. Then in integrand numerator के बदले ये लिखना है आपको, इंटीग्रल I is equal to numerator 2x minus 7, उसके बदले आपको 1 by 2 into 4x minus 1 plus minus 13 by 2 upon square root of 4x minus 1 dx. We write, separate this, 1 upon 2 integral 4x minus 1 upon root of 4x minus 1 dx. ये minus 13 by 2 integral dx upon root of 4x minus 1. Now 4x minus 1 and square root of that. So ये होगा square root of 4x minus 1, which will be 1 by 2 into integral of root of 4x minus 1 dx. 13 by 2 integral dx upon square root of 4x minus 1. Then how we evaluate this? It is raised to power 1 by 2. तो रेस्ट टू पावर n फार्मूला यूज करेंगे. सो दैट फार्मूला वी यूज लाइक दिस. इंटीग्रल ऑफ ax plus b, integral of ax plus b raised to power n dx is equal to 1 by ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this formula will be 1 by 2, 1 by a मतलब 4 है इधर. So 1 by a means 1 by 4, then 4x minus 1 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 13 upon 2, and integration of this dx upon root of, one more formula we use here, integration of dx upon root of ax plus b is equal to 1 by a into coefficient of x, that is 1 by a, into 2 root of ax plus b. So for this we use formula 1 by a 2 root of ax plus b. So it is 1 by a means 1 by 4 into 2 root of 4x minus 1 plus कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन c. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट 3/2, ये भी 3/2 है. देन दिस इज 1/8, सो दैट द आंसर विल बी 1/8 4x minus 1 raised to power 3/2 upon this 3/2. This will get cancelled, it is 4 minus 13 upon this 2 is getting cancelled, 4 13 upon 4 square root of 4x minus 1 plus c. So that the complete answer is 4 into 3 12, which is 1/12 4x minus 1 raised to power 3/2 minus 13 upon 4 square root of 4x minus 1 plus c. This completes the answer of this question. We attend then next question. Three upon root of 7x minus 2 minus root of 7x minus 5. So हम ये irrational है तो rationalize करेंगे. So multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of this, so that this will be 3. You can take 3 outside the integral sign and rationalize it. Multiply by the conjugate of this. Root of 7x minus 2 plus root of 7x minus 5 upon square root of 7x minus 2 minus root of 7x minus 5. Multiply by conjugate root of 7x minus 2 plus root of 7x minus 5. Multiply by conjugate. Then this is a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square, it will be 3 integral root of 7x minus 2 plus root of 7x minus 5 upon 7x minus 2 minus 7x minus 5. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. फिर ये 7x will get cancelled. Minus of minus 5 will be plus 5 and minus 2, which is integral root of 7x minus 2 plus root of 7x minus 5 upon what is left here 3. ये cancel होगा dx. Then separate the integral. We separate the integral, that is integral of root of 7x minus 2, मतलब 7x minus 2 raised to power 1 by 2 dx plus integral of 7x minus 5 raised to power 1 by 2 dx. It is of the form integral ax plus b raised to power n dx, and this integral is 1 by ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. यहाँ पे n is not equal to -1, जो कि यहाँ पे n is what 1 by 2 है, and a is what 7. So we'll be writing here 1 upon 7 ax, that is 7x minus 2 raised to power n plus 1. N plus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2 plus 1, then plus 1 upon 7 again for this integral, that is 1 upon 7x minus 5 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So this is 1 upon 7x minus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 1 upon 7x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 upon this 3 by 2 plus c, which is 2 by 3. We can write here 2 by 3, that means 2 by 21 will write it outside. Here 2 by 3 and this 1 by 7. You can take it common, that is 2 by 21. 2 by 21, 7x minus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 plus 7x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 plus c. So this completes the answer, taking it 2 by 3 and 2 by, it will be 21. This 2 by 3 and this 1 by 7, so it will 2 by 21. 2 by 21 will take outside. 7x minus 2 raised to power 3 by 2, ये 7x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 plus c. F dash of x is x minus 3 upon x cube, and f of 1 is given 11 upon 2. We find f of x. F dash of x मतलब derivative of fx. So write it, f dash of x is equal to derivative of fx. So by definition of integration of this is fx, as we required fx over here. तो fx क्या लिखेंगे हम, fx is equal to integration of f dash of x with respect to x, which is equal to integration of f dash of x, ये दिया है x minus 3 upon x cube dx, which is integration of x dx minus 3 into integration of 1 upon x cube मतलब क्या है, x raised to power minus 3 dx. Integration of x is x square by 2 and minus 3, this is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 मतलब x raised to power minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2 upon minus 2 and plus constant of integration c. This is what f of x. तो हमको f of x ही फाइंड करना है. Then it is f of x is equal to x square by 2, ये माइनस का प्लस, that is 3 by 2 upon x square plus c. Further we put values of what condition is given. ये कंडीशन दिया है आपको f of 1 is 11 upon 2, उससे आप c फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो c फाइंड करने के लिए कंडीशन दिया है f of 1 मतलब put x is equal to 1 over here. So f of 1, ये इक्वेशन में हम x is equal to 1 रखते हैं, x की वैल्यू 1 रखना है. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into again x की वैल्यू 1 रखना है 1 and plus c, which is f of 1 कितना है 11 upon 2 दिया है. राइट हैंड साइड 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 ये 3/2 होगा प्लस c, दिस इज 4/2 प्लस c 11/2. हमको c रिक्वायर्ड है, सो हाउ टू गेट c? c इज इक्वल टू 11/2 माइनस 4/2 विच इज 7/2. दैट इज अवर c. अब ये c यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, सो दैट वी विल गेट f of x इज इक्वल टू x square by 2 प्लस 3/2x square plus c is 7/2. This is your answer, that is f of x. So we'll be writing here f of x is equal to x square by 2 3/2x square plus 7/2. This will be the required f of x. In this video we have completed exercise 3.1 of indefinite integral. Thank you for watching.